How to delete emergency contacts on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find the Health app and tap on it. Over here, go to the Medical Details section and tap on Medical ID. Scroll down and go to Emergency Contacts and tap Edit beside it. You can view all your emergency contacts over here. If you want to delete a contact from here, then hold the contact and swipe left. Then, tap on Delete. And if you want to add more contacts, then tap on Add Emergency Contact below. After that, tap on Done at the top right corner. Following these steps, you can easily delete emergency contacts on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.